Hey guys, all right, so now we're on Wednesday of our road trip. So here's some road trip signs. Along the way, you continue to entertain yourself by making alternatives to the regular road signs. So solve the problems below to figure out what the real road signs read. So you're going to need to think of your order of operations. So which comes first, adding and subtracting. If they're in a row, where would the parentheses go? 30 times 2 plus 6. I know that multiplication comes before addition, so I know my parentheses would go around 30 times 2, and I would solve that first. You'll also do it for the speed limit signs, and then you're going to write your own equations here. So what equation would equal 20? What equation would equal 10? And what equation would equal 95? Be creative as you want. On the next slide, it is the license plate game. So the license plate game, as you know, the one where you search for license plates from all over the country. Well, today's license plate game is a little bit different. You are searching for those fun custom license plates that are words only and then assigning numbers to the words. First, write the word using the number values below. The first one's done for you. So I know the first one is I, and so I is represented by a 3. L is represented by a 4, V by a 7, and so on. So you're going to do the same, and you're going to type here the number codes. Then down below, you're going to go and do this. So you're going to underline the number in the tens place, circle the number in the thousands, and so on. Just do your best on this one. I know it's kind of difficult on the computer, but do your best. If you need to insert a shape, you go up here, click on shapes, and you can do different shapes here. So you can click on a circle and you can circle your number. All right, on the next slide is a bar graph of different types of vehicles. So this displays the data of how many cars, trucks, minivans, SUVs, and semis you saw. So you're going to go through and you're going to type how many there are. So for cars, there's 30. There's not any in-between numbers, so it should be definite numbers here. And then you're going to answer these 3 questions. And that's all for today.